Looks a bit blue on camera. Are we gonna focus? There's the tick noise that it makes. There's channel 10. Loading nothing because there's no disc in there. Okay, what the hell's wrong with this thing? There we go. It says L1 on the thing, okay. I want to do an older DVD. It's from 98, but the material's from 85. So I want to try that out. We'll do more than one. Let's see. Here it is. How's it look? It's okay. Contrast sucks. Pictures, meh, it's grainy, because this is how tape-based video is. Even digital sometimes. Whoops. Best of Robert Cray, 20th Century Masters DVD collection. Incomplete, missing a video. Not the live stuff, because that belongs to another company. Okay. Same with the Shirley Wright one. There's missing videos. I got those off the Heartland channel before they quit. They pulled the plug on their over-the-air signal. Yeah, it looks way too bright on camera. Let's turn that brightness down. I usually don't adjust the TV settings. Okay, select the video. Be the one that's the worst quality. It's from 86, so the quality's not that great. Better than watching off YouTube, even though the aspect ratio was messed up in this video. Alright. Steely Dan, 2 Against Nature. That's from 2000. That's viewed on a Sony Trinitron. Because they look freaking great. And the other thing is, it was recorded at Sony Music Stages, New York City. There's a Steely Dan concert I saw that was upscaled. And I don't really like upscaling. I don't think it's quite perfected yet. But that one looked pretty good. I'll put it in the top right if I remember. It's from 2000, so it's not going to look too bad. It's an RCA television. And the audio's screwed up again. Maybe this isn't upscaling. This thing does upscale though, through HDMI. See the staircasing patterns. It's watchable though, but not ideal. Tell the audio's overloaded. The bass drum hits wicked, like every time. Like, what the hell? Let's do another one, why not? I used to have that TV. Anyway, we're back with the weird audio. That's one thing LCD has over CRT televisions. There's no blooming from the high voltage spikes or something like that. No, there's no blooming at all. Might have to check the solder joints on the HDMI socket. That sounds cool. Yeah, I don't think this is really upscaling. It looks terrible. This video's pretty high quality. Bertie or on tread on. Oh, that's weird. As far as upscaling goes, this is a fail. This looks like garbage. Still. This one's fairly good quality. See that rainbow in from the low resolutionness of it, I guess you'd say. Blow my speakers, Big Daddy. God, no, that sounded wrong. Jeez. This looked good on that Philips Magnavox set. I'll insert some screenshots from that video. It looked freaking awesome. Too bad the tube was so messed up. So yeah, I don't think that didn't look so good. This claims to upscale, unless Amazon's lying. I don't know. Oops. What did I press? Input select. Let's set that to, put it back on channel 10 and we'll call it here.